Listen. What is it?
A cow.
Yes, it's a cow.
It's a cow.
It's a cow.
Is it? Oh, is it a black cow?
Black cow?
No.
No.
What color is it?
Uh,
It's a brown cow. Can you repeat?
It's a brown cow.
It's a black cow.
It's a black cow.
It's a white cow.
It's a white cow.
Yes, but look at those. Those are spots.
Spots.
What color are the spots?
Black.
It's a black spot.
It's a black spot.
This
White.
one. Ah, yeah.
White.
It's a white spot.
it's a white spot.
And this one,
Brown.
it's a brown spot.
It's a brown spot.
Good. Now, the brown cow, can you repeat?
The brown cow
Has got
has got
brown spots.
Brown spots.
No.
No.
The brown cow
the brown cow
has got
has got
what color? Yes.
White.
Yes, take it. Place it on the cow.
Okay.
Okay, now let's all repeat. The brown cow
the brown cow
has got
has got
white spots.
white spots.
Okay, next, the black cow. What color? Yes.
White spots.
No, look, it's already on the brown.
Oh,
Yes.
brown spots.
Yes. Take it. Place it on it. Very nice. Okay, now let's all repeat. The black cow
The black cow
has got
has got
brown spots.
brown spots.
Good, very nice. Now continue with all the cows, with all the spots. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.